Hey, I'm Deepali. I'm just going to be showing you guys my oil pulling routine in the morning. So I just woke up. I'm going to be using Organic Spears coconut oil. Basically, it's very good for just preventing gingivitis, cavities, and it has a lot of health benefits. Plus, it's just good at making sure that your breath is not gross in the morning. So I just put a little spoon in this, and it just has a very good mouth feel. It doesn't feel too strong, and I just melt it in the microwave for 20 seconds, and then I swish it around in my mouth for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then I spit it out in the trash can and I just brush my teeth. So I'm just gonna go microwave it real quick. Hi, so I'm back. I just microwaved it for about 20 seconds. This is just what it looks like. It just looks like clear, and I'm just gonna swish it around in my mouth. Yeah. So